with some of our old school survey equipment, and we would test, in the years ago when we would test the beginning phases of the equipment. The old school survey equipment, would be reliable and be the same results every time. And then as the years have got by and we've run the same tests and slightly more complex tests with the same equipment, the last test that we ran, Looq found an error in my data. So now they were kind of helping me check my data with their equipment. The things that we really like about using this is the fact that it has an internal GPS GNSS system. So this allows us to, oftentimes we can capture without setting ground control because of the accuracy in the camera itself and in that collection. If we want to enhance it, we can, and it works really well. A really easy way to capture ground control targets with this. Not a complex process at all. Honestly, we've been finding it less and less important to set ground control just because of the quality of the GPS capabilities within this. It's like any other, survey grade equipment that we use. It matches that standard. So one of the things that we like about the camera the most is its usability. So for example, this is very compact and quite easy to use. If I can hand this to one of my junior guys, I recently hired someone very, very green right off of working at AM, PM, and to hand him survey equipment would be very daunting, but I can hand him this and he can go and be productive in the field. This is very simple to use. It's plug and play. Things that we really like the most about this is being able to view what you're capturing. That way you can look at it on the screen and make sure that what you are collecting, you're not missing anything. So you can actually view, real time what you're looking at. We also really like the grip on it. Make sure that we don't drop it, which makes us feel very safe in the field. Feels really good in your hands. And I love the fact that I can hand this to one of my junior chiefs, one of my green crews, and there isn't a lot of training or a lot of very expensive, complex equipment in their hands, that they can already just take this out and be productive just capturing it like this. This allows me to scale up and be able to collect more field data and honestly have more processing options than I would. So instead of hiring another field crew, for example, or trying to bring in field crews out of state as we grow, we have this technology which allows us to capture the data so much faster in the field, and without any go backs, we can travel further because we know we don't have to go back to the site. That'll help us scale in different regions. It'll also keep my costs down because I don't have to hire a new field crew and then teach people how to process the data. So two huge ways.